Hello darlings, for today's video, I'll be creating a colorful look for Christmas. First, I'm filling in my brows with the Benefit Brow in the shade 4.5. This is a brow pomade and I'm using the Bodyography brush to apply it. My best tip for applying brow pomade is to pick up a little bit at a time and build it up to your liking. It's easier to work with it this way. Next, I'm cleaning up the brows with the Plouise base in shade 0.5, and then I'm setting the brow hairs in place with the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. To prime the eyes, I'm tapping the Plouise base all over my eyelids using the Morphe JH36 brush, and once it's smooth, it's ready for eyeshadow. I'm using the Bperfect Stacey Marie Carnival XL Pro palette, and first picking up this pink shade called Funky and applying this to the inner third of the eye, taking it up just a bit higher than my natural crease. I'm packing this on to achieve a good color payoff and blending it using small circular motions. Next, I'm tapping my brush into this red shade called Inferno and applying it to the center of the eye, and I'm blending it with the pink that's next to it. Then, I'm adding this purple shade called Wasted to the outer third of the eye. Again, just like I did with the other two shades, I'm blending it both vertically and horizontally so that it flows into a gradient with the shade next to it and the edges fade out towards my brow as well. Now I'm taking a clean fluffy brush and sweeping it around the outer edges of the whole look so I have a nice blend. Moving on to face makeup, I'm priming with both the Touch & Soul No Poreblem Priming Water and the Icy Sherbet Primer. I'm also adding a bit of glow to the skin with the Glassy Skin Balm. For foundation, I'm using the Loreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in the shade 400. This is my first time trying it and I like it a lot so far. After blending that in with a damp beauty blender, I'm applying the Benefit Boing Cakeless Concealer in the shade number 1. I'm setting my under eyes with the Catrice Extraordinary Translucent Powder, which is one of my favorites now, and then I'm adding some warmth and dimension back into the face by contouring with the Benefit Hoola Bronzer. Next, I'm highlighting with the Wet n Wild Hello Halo Blushlighter in the shade Flash Me, and then for blush, I'm using the Hello Halo Blushlighter in the shade Highlight Bling. After setting my face with the Catrice Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Fixing Spray, I'm highlighting my inner corner with the shade called Pink Me from the Stacey Marie palette, and then I'm dragging some of that purple around to the bottom lash line so that it flows with the eyeshadow in the outer corner nicely. Next, I'm applying the green shade called The Hype to my lower lash line using the Morphe JH40 brush, and then I'm blending that out with the lighter green shade called Ecstasy with the Morphe M562 brush. For lashes, I'm first curling my lashes with the Kevyn Aucoin Lash Curler. Then I'm applying the Loreal Lash Paradise Mascara and popping on the Acebeaut lashes in the style Hadid. To help those lashes blend in better, I'm tightlining with the Touch and Soul Style Black Gel Liner, and then I'm applying mascara to my lower lashes as well. I'm also adding some of the Plouise Mitchell Acid Rain Blank Canvas Paint to my waterline. Finally, for lips, I'm applying the NYX Jumbo Lip Pencil in the shade Hazelnut. And that completes this colorful Christmas look. Let me know in the comments if you would wear this during the holiday season, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!